Doesn't matter who you are, where you've come from, the nature of your culture, the personality that you are presuming to wear in this moment. What matters is that we each feel a sense of honor and respect for each other, that we cultivate within our own self a feeling that I am worthy, that I am a spark of God, that each person is a spark of God, and that if we merge those sparks, we realize, right, we've come from the same space, we've just slipped on different bodysuits, different personas, and yet each of us has something mysterious, powerful, and moving right here in our heart, literally coursing through our blood and our biology, something as deep as our DNA, something that actually connects us beyond the cultural and social imprints, and that is seeking to know itself through each of us. When we can feel that with every being we look at, we have begun to realize that we are all the same, that there is something moving through each of us that wants to know itself through every relationship, through every circumstance, through all of the experiences in our life. It's the same thing happening. We're learning to love ourselves. We're learning to love each other. It's a simple equation. It was written in the code from the very beginning. Love will find itself the moment you say yes to it.